second wave of COVID-19 has severely dented the popularity and image of Badshah Salamat. And whenever this happens, his pawns come to his rescue with their toolkits. So what was the plan this time? BJP IT cell and leaders created a fake document that they allege is a toolkit by the Congress party made to malign PM Modi's image for mishandling of the pandemic. What they don't seem to realize is that the bodies floating in the Ganga are maligning enough, and the Congress party, unlike them, is not interested in imagery but only in helping people.
डायरेक्ट हमारा इस नंबर पे कॉल करिए, मैं मदद करूँगा.
On May 18th, a Twitter handle by the name of Team Bharat put out a couple of tweets saying "Big Expose Congress Toolkit" and shared a few images of the documents. Soon, PM Modi's pawns started retweeting the controversial and fake documents. The Congress party immediately hit back and filed a complaint against JP Nadda, Smriti Irani and other BJP leaders for forging AICC letterhead and spreading fake news with an intention to stoke communal disharmony and civil unrest.
पिछले 7 साल से देख रहे हैं कि अगर नौजवानों ने आवाज उठाई फीस वृद्धि के खिलाफ, एक टूलकिट आ जाता है. किसानों ने आवाज उठाई काले कानूनों के खिलाफ, टूलकिट आ जाता है. देश के बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग ने आवाज उठाई, टूलकिट आ जाएगा. वो मीडिया जो निडरता से, ईमानदारी से अपना काम करने की आज भी हिम्मत दिखा रहा है, उनके खिलाफ भी एक टूलकिट आ जाएगा. वो देश में बैठा हो मीडिया कहीं भी बैठा हो. आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी का घिनौना चेहरा एक बार फिर सबके सामने स्पष्ट तौर पे आ गया.
The Congress party filed an FIR, held a press conference, issued statements challenging the authenticity of the documents, but even that didn't deter BJP ministers from lying to the public and spreading fake documents. They even went to the extent of tarnishing a Congress employee's reputation for the sake of their fake narrative. The documents were fact-checked by an independent agency, Alt News, and proved to be fake. They found that the letterhead, font and timeline of AICC did not match with the COVID toolkit shared by the BJP leaders. After its own internal investigation, Twitter applied the manipulated media tag to BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra's tweets, which shared the fake toolkit images. This confirms that the BJP was indulging in forgery and spreading a fake document to divert public and media attention. BJP's age-old tactics are becoming predictable. When things go wrong and our nation heads into a downward spiral, the PM disappears. The pawns come out, fake news is spread, and the intentions of those questioning the government are questioned. But Indians have had enough of BJP's lies and incompetence. We have lost too much to care about their propaganda now. All we want is an end to the suffering and accountability for everything that we have lost.